Hey YouTube, this is Diefly Fish. This is a small Magneto hydrodynamic drive. We have two neodymium magnets encased in epoxy here and here, and two carbon electrodes on the top and the bottom. So we have a current running between the two electrodes and a magnetic field between both magnets. Now, normally we have a unidirectional B field that would be going one direction or the other. This is somewhat of a little different situation. What we have here is we have a north face out here, a north face out here, and we have here two south poles within the substance of the magnetohydrodynamic channel itself. And just want to show you what the effect is when we have a like against like pole situation and what happens with the magnetohydrodynamic drive itself. Now with this type of scenario, you're going to see a gross outward effect that may be utilizable when scaled and or applied in a slightly different way. So I'm going to turn on the power supply, which I have set at 2.5 amps and 30 volts, and I will focus on the magnetohydrodynamic drive, and you'll see where the bubble trace goes. Here we go, turning it on now. So as you can see, we have a counter current drive. So we have a very interesting flow coming out of both sides, and they are on opposite sides of the magnetic field. So we have the vortices being produced within the substance of the channel itself. So we have drive coming off that side, we have drive coming off that side, we have inlet coming in this side, inlet coming on that side. So we have opposite arrangements of what would normally expect. Otherwise we get a unidirectional flow. But the fact that we can have flows going counter current to one another may very well be useful. So for what it's worth, you do not necessarily have to utilize a B field only going in one direction. It may be able to be utilized with both. Now again, this is south against south, so it would be interesting, and I probably will post another one with north against north. But for what it's worth, you can again see the counter current flow and maybe extrapolate in how that can be used. Have a great day.